A reset is when you thoroughly clean your Farmstand Nook by removing all the plants, taking it apart, and giving it a gentle clean. You will need to do this every few months to keep your Farmstand Nook clean and running smoothly, and to maintain healthy plant growth. Resets help prevent pest and disease, root accumulation, and make more room for new seedlings. So let's reset this farmstand. Start by removing all of your plants from your Farmstand Nook. Harvest the big plants and keep the small plants that will be replanted in their grow cups. Disassemble your farmstand until you're only left with the tank and the shortest pipe connected to the pump. Remove the two top pipes and couplers. Take the hose coupler and place it on the end of a hose before attaching it to the pipe. Put the other end of the hose where water can safely drain. Plug the pump directly into a working outlet to drain the water through the hose. Unplug the pump just before the water level reaches the top of the pump. Don't allow the water level to dip below the top of the pump. Remove the pump and pipe from the tank and dump out the remaining water, which will be about a gallon. Now it's time to clean off any debris from your farmstand. Use the brush provided to remove any roots, grow medium, and plant bits from the tank and levels. Next, use the microfiber towel provided for wiping away any additional debris. If you encounter hard-to-remove residues, proceed with the next steps for an even deeper clean. Ensure your pump is unplugged and then put the pump back into your tank. Fill the tank about a third of the way with warm water and check that your water level is above the top of the pump. Add more water if necessary. Mix 3 tablespoons of the citric acid cleaning solution directly in your tank. Give everything a quick stir with the pipe and drop all of your grow cups and sleeves in the tank. Next, we're going to reassemble the farm stand, including the pipe, levels, cups, diffuser, and lid. After it's reassembled, plug in the pump and run it for 2 to 3 hours for a thorough clean. Longer run times are better for long-term buildup and deeper cleaning. After you've completed the cleaning cycle to your satisfaction, unplug the pump and disassemble the farm stand. Now you can dump out the old water or pump it out with your hose. To pump it out, reattach your hose, turn the pump back on, and pump out the dirty water. Take the grow cups and sleeves out of the tank, then dump out the remaining water. Wipe the inside of the tank with the microfiber rag. For tough stains, use the cleaning brush to scrape off remaining debris. And for really stubborn spots, you can mix half a tablespoon of the citric acid cleaning solution with about 8 to 10 ounces of water in a spray bottle or cup. Then apply it onto the problem area. Let it sit for 5 minutes and scrub it again with the brush. Optionally, rinse everything one last time. Any residual citric acid solution will not negatively affect the health of your plants. Put your farm stand back together once everything's been cleaned. But don't forget to add fresh water, nutrients, and test and adjust that pH. If you need a refresher, refer back to our setup videos. Replant any seedlings you put off to the side during cleaning, but don't forget about those fresh seedlings. Once that's done, you're ready to grow again.